So now we need to look at the process of adding in your new piece of thread. So I'm going to start 3 rows back from the top. So back 3, support the beadwork from underneath, and we're just going to pass through 4 or 5 beads at some point on this row. It's not critical where you add this in. So I'm going to pass through. I've got through 6 beads there. I'm going to pull this thread through. Make sure you leave a decent tail here to snip off later. If you make the tail too short, the chances are you're going to pull the thread back out the beadwork. So, and then go to the row above and in the opposite direction, see where the thread comes out, go to the bead above it. And we're going to pass back through. Four or 5 beads more. It doesn't matter if it's not exactly the same amount. Pull that excess thread through. Don't pull this too tight because you'll pull the tail thread out. And then on the top row, look where the thread is coming out and go to the bead above it. And we're going to go back through 4 or 5 beads again. Through. So effectively what you've done there is a little zigzag. Now to lock this thread in place, we need to come back down to the second row. So look for where the thread is coming out and go back down to the second row. Through some more beads. I've done 5 there. The exact number of beads is not important. It's the locking process that is the vital bit here. So we're coming out of this bead here, so we go back up to the top row, and we're going to this time go all the way through to the end. I'm going to pull that all the way through. Okay, so we'll snip off this little tail here, and your new thread is ready for your next row of beading.